Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe, like what we're doing, comment and share. Thank you. Today I'll be showing you how to make your puff puff. I'll be first putting my flour in. So I'll be mixing first my dry ingredients. Now I'll be putting my yeast, the dry yeast, and I'll be using brown sugar. Feel free to use white sugar if you prefer. So I'll be using brown sugar for this show, and I'll be using nutmeg and my salt to taste in order to balance the taste. I will mix my dried ingredients together. I'll be using milk for my puff puff, but you can still use water as well. I'm using milk, and I'm using warm milk. Why I'm using warm milk is to make it to rise quickly. If I use cold one, it still gives me the same result, only that the rising part might take so long. So I choose to use warm milk. The same warm water, they all give you the same result. I'll be mixing all together to get the smooth consistency. Okay, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Now you can see the consistency is much better now, very smooth. Now I will be getting ready to cover it and allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll cover it with my cling wrap and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes so that it will rise before I will start the frying. Now my puff puff is ready, almost ready for frying. So I'm gonna puff out all the air inside and then take it back to that smooth consistency before I will start the frying. As you can see, it's very ready for the frying. Now I'll be using the low heat because I don't want it too high so that it doesn't get burnt or so brown and then inside will not be done. So I'll be using low heat to do my frying, and I'll be pouring enough oil, vegetable oil, so that my mixture will have enough space for it to cook and rise. I'll be using my hand to scoop it in. Feel free to use your ice cream scoop or the spoon, but I prefer to use my hand because it makes it faster for me to get them into the oil. And sometimes people might be wondering, oh, how do you get it mold? Yeah, it's also helping me. When I use my hand, I will be able to mold it well and know the right size for it. And remember to always turn them over so that each side will get done, will cook well, and so that they can cook evenly. As you can see, our puff puff is almost ready. Wow, it's ready now. I'll be taking it out because it's ready. It's all done. Wow, it looks so yummy. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. It's so easy and so straightforward. And I would like to hear your comments on the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe. It has a long way to help me in this channel. Thank you. This is the continuation of the second bag because I need to get the whole batter in. Now it's ready. It's ready. As you can see, our puff puff is ready. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe. Remember to click on the notification button so that anytime I post my video, you'll be able to see it. Like, share,